party, Fiesta Loca. It's choreographed by Hana Ries. It is a 32 count, 4-wall, absolute beginner level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the ending, and then we're going to go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Crazy Party, Fiesta Loca. Section 1, you're just going to start on your left foot. We're going to do a crossing in front vine. So you're going to step your right foot to the right side, cross your left over your right, step your right foot to the right side, and place your left heel into the diagonal. We're now going to step our left foot to the left side, cross your right over your left, step your left foot to the left side, and place your right heel into the diagonal. So let's try that with some counts. Stepping to the right, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to rock back with our right foot, recover onto your left. We're now going to do 2 8 paddle turns. So we're going to step forward with our right foot. You're going to make an 8 turn over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 10:30. Step forward with your right, make an 8 turn over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 9 o'clock. And then we're going to kick our right foot forward twice. Kick, kick. So let's try that with some counts. Rocking back with your right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to step our right foot back. You're going to step together with your left, taking weight onto your left foot, and then we're going to walk forward, right, left, right. You're going to hold and clap your hands, and then we're going to step forward with our left, and you're going to hold and clap your hands twice. So let's try that with some counts. We just kicked, stepping back together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to do a jazz box step. So we're going to cross our right over our left, step back with your left, step your right foot to the right side, and then you're going to step your left foot forward and slightly over your right. We're now going to step our right foot forward into the right diagonal, touch your left next to your right, step your left foot back into the left back diagonal, touch your right next to your left, and on those diagonal touches you can add shimmies if you would like. So let's try that with some counts, doing your jazz box, weights on your left, crossing your right over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left, starting with your crossing in front vine. So it's side, over, side, heel, side, over, side, heel, rock back, recover, 8 paddle, 8 paddle, kick, kick, back together, walk, 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 back, walk, double clap, jazz box, cross, diagonal touch, back diagonal touch. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, starting with your crossing in front vine. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's talk about the ending. Wall 11 is your final dance, so you'll be dancing a 6 o'clock wall. You're going to dance the first 16 counts before you do your ending. So let's dance the 16 counts, and then we'll talk about how to end facing 12 o'clock. Weight is on your left, starting with your crossing in front vine. So it's side, over, side, heel, side, over, side, heel, rock back, recover, 8 paddle, kick, kick. Right here, instead of continuing on with the dance, the music is going to start to end. You're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your right foot and posing. And that is how you're going to end the dance. You can pose however you would like, hands up in the air, hands on your head, however you would like to pose, but you're going to make that quarter turn and pose to end the dance. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, we're going to do steps. Side walls, we're going to do counts. We're going to dance 4 walls of the dance. Weight is on your left, starting with your crossing in front vine. So it's side, over, side, heel, side, over, side, heel, rock back, recover, 8 paddle, kick, kick, back together, walk, 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 back, walk, walk, back, jazz box, cross diagonal touch, back diagonal touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Side over side, heel, side over side, heel, rock back, recover. 8 paddle, kick, kick, back together, walk, walk, step, back, double back, jazz box, cross diagonal touch, back diagonal touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the full dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Crazy Party, Fiesta Loca. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.